This is a 1951 Olympia SM2. It has been fully restored with new rubber on the platen, and it is ready to type. This 1951 Olympia typewriter is the somewhat rare SM2 version. It's the predecessor to the more common SM3 and 4. It's very similar. Has new rubber on the platen. The finish on this one is the green. It's in fairly good shape. It does have some marks and nicks on it. It's got a mark on here. Some marks right here on the side. The placement of the Olympia logo is one of the bigger differences on this and the SM3 and 4. This typewriter also comes with its original case, which is in fair condition. It is solid and it does latch well. It's been cleaned. It's had some reinforcement strips added. And this is a wooden case with a cloth covered or paper covered. And there's a lot of places where the paper is worn, got scratches and scrapes on it. On the bottom part of the case, the paper is completely gone from that. But it is in good enough shape that it'll protect the typewriter. That's a 1951 Olympia SM2.